Welcome to 615 Bayshore. Look at this waterfront view. No fixed bridges, right in the heart of downtown Fort Lauderdale. This beach location can get you to Las Olas, Galleria Mall, and now I'm going to show you this fully updated unit. Let's check it out. Welcome home, guys. Can't wait to show you this home. Brand new, down to the studs. Floors, paint, boards, everything. We've got bedrooms down one way, main area this way. Follow me this way first. A lot of following me today, guys. We're gonna make this a little bit more fun than usual. Can you guys see this open space here? If you're young at heart like me, you could do airplanes all around. Look at all this free space, which leads you to your patio over here, your kitchen here. Let me show you these Italian Malay appliances, new. French doors to your refrigerator, and check it, 2 freezer drawers. You need your ice drawer and your ice cream drawer. Perfect. As we continue to go through the kitchen, look how thick this marble is. They cut no expense to make this place fantastic. One of my favorite parts of this house is this huge patio. It is bigger than most New York apartment buildings, but here you have a waterfront view. You agree? Could you have your coffee, tea, or bourbon out here? Me too. Better yet, this is never going away, so you will always have a waterfront view. Now, the last room before the bedrooms. We watch our step as we walk back in. Hurricane doors. Does it get better than this? Favorite sports game drama, water over here, sunsets, a view of your entire brand new apartment. This is my favorite seat in this house. Let's take a look at the primary bedroom. It has every feature someone's looking for. Room for a king-size bed, 2 end tables. I'm gonna put my popcorn down and take a look at my beautiful mirror. Like to take a look at that every morning as we walk into the bathroom. What family doesn't love 2 walk-in closets? Come here. This is the hidden gem. This shower has a rain shower, normal shower. I don't know what this is, but I like it. And when you have guests here, you can spy on them. They can't see you, but you can see them. Dual sinks and a standalone bathtub. Got kids? Perfect. You just want to soak? Perfect. Ready to see the rest of the house with me? Let's go. If you're like me at all and you don't want people using your bathroom, perfect. Half bath right here. Now to your private second bedroom. Full bath and another huge bedroom. What's nice about this bedroom? It's a corner, so we've got light coming from here, light coming from here, and you still have your ocean view. I'm sorry, you still have your waterfront view. And lastly, when you're buying a $1.75 million condo, you want a washer and dryer in your unit. This isn't just a washer and dryer. This is a side-by-side laundry room. If you wanted to turn this into something else, you could. I could see stackables here, bike racks. If you have kids, Costco racks. And for those of you in a hurry, oh, it's locked right now, but an escape room goes right to the outside. I want to thank you guys for coming to La Cascade. You got to see Unit 401, fully renovated with a huge patio looking over the water. Not only that, you are 5 minutes to the Galleria, 5 minutes to Las Olas, and that is why this is my splash deal of the week.
Refreshing.